Okay, so hopefully you've downloaded the resources for this chapter, and you're looking at Zulbad. Zulbad is a sample of a classic text adventure. If you have not played text adventures, they are games where you have a text parser, and you are given your descriptions of what you see completely inside of text. So these were the earliest forms of some of the earliest forms of computer games. In the world of Zulbad, we have different objects, and let's go ahead and explore Zulbad. So I'm going to compile, and the compilation works just fine. And I'm going to pull up over to here and get a blank screen behind me. Let me make a new game object, and I will ask to have this game object allow us to play. So all of the work gets done here inside of the terminal window. Welcome to the World of Zool. World of Zool is a new, incredibly boring adventure game. Type help if you need help. You are outside the main entrance of the university. Exits are east, south, and west. Type input. Help. You are lost, you are alone, you wander alone at the university. Your command words are go, quit, and help. Okay? So I'm going to come to my screen here, and let's go ahead and quickly draw. That's actually, let me erase that. And so we're at the entrance. So far, so good. Here we go. Let's go east. If I go east, this direction, I am in a lecture theater. And the only exit is west. Okay. So we will come back here. And there is a lecture theater. And whoops, what the heck just happened there? I accidentally shifted off of draw mode. And there are no exits to the north. There are no exits to the east. There are no exits to the south. But there is an exit coming back west. So let me go back west. I'm back outside the main entrance of the university. Let me, and I should see also that there's no exit to the north from the entrance, so let's just get that in there as well. And this time let me go west. You're in the campus pub. Exits are east. So this is definitely coming from a European author. We have not had campus pubs in the US for quite some time. But the only exit from the pub is to go east, so the pub has no exits going north or west or south. Useful to know. So let's go back to the east. I'm back at the main entrance, and I can go south. And I'm in a computer lab, one of my favorite places to be when I was in college. And since I've never left college, I guess you could say that it's still there. Well, that's not entirely true, right? So computer lab, it feels like I've never left college because I've been here for a while. So from south, I can go back north, apparently, but it looks like the computer lab also has an exit to the east. So let's go east. And I am in the administrative office. Okay. And it looks like there's no place to go here, because I can only go back to the west. And there was no place to go to the south, and there's no place to go to the west from there. And that is the extent of the world of Zool. So apparently they were accurate when they said it was a boring computer game. So we have explored the space. Let me type quite. Thank you for playing. Goodbye. And I am back. Okay, so here's the thing. It works. I have a set of rooms. I can go from room to room. It understands commands. What is it about this software that's bad? Our Zool classes, of which there are 5 in this iteration, in Zoolbad, we have the game class, which is responsible for our main, starting things up in the main interaction loop. Print a prompt, get the information, respond to the information, move from there. We also have a room class. The room class models a room in the game. The room has a description. The room knows what it's connected to. We have a parser, which reads the user input and determines if it is a known command. We have a command class, which is the user command object. And then we also have command words. These would be words that the command object recognizes as user commands. So if we bring this back up, we can see that command depends on command words, and the parser depends on the command and command words objects, and the game depends on the command, and the game depends on the room. So there's this set of intersecting responsibilities. What makes Zool bad is that these intersecting responsibilities do not necessarily align properly. They are quite messy. So before we go any further, stop the video, or, we've reached the end of this explanation of Zool. Take some time to do the exercises in part 1 of the homework, where you explore Zoolbad and make some observations and predictions about what some of the problems are. And after you've accomplished that, then come back and continue with the next video in the series. See you in a little while.